Hello and welcome back to Ramsey Go Racing YouTube page. I tried to upload a video, but it ended up not working, and basically all I did was redo what I did on my throttle. Basically, if you look down there, hold on. Okay, you can see it now. All right, down there, it goes all the way over. Keeps going over. Zip tied right there, and then it's on right there. Now I got it running and all that, and then I just got my clutch today and my chain. So this is what that is right there, and I'm just gonna try and get it on there. It's a little rusty, so I lubricated it with oil, and then I'm gonna try and just hammer it on there. Okay, now that it's on there, I'm going to put these in there.
Catching up, your need to run has left me out of breath. Your faith in me is in my head. Dusty habits on the shelf, breaking some of them beyond repair. Making more than what I want to put you through. Oh, all I am is moving underneath me. Empty hands are hanging from the ceiling. My will to learn is not enough to fix this. All you need is someone to believe in.
Okay, now I got both in place. I think that's everything. And well, I also have the chain over here, but I'm not gonna put that on until I get my axle. And then once I get my axle, I will pretty much have a working go-kart. All I need after that is just an exhaust pipe to where it's not burning me right here, 'cause that's gonna hurt if that's the case. I'm gonna show you. This is my old exhaust. It's not gonna be, it won't work. But I mean, it won't even fit. So there's no way for me to do that. I mean, honestly, I can't. It's just not gonna work. So I'm gonna probably sell this, and then I don't know. I guess I'll just sell this and get a new exhaust and put an axle on it, and then I'll be driving down the street. Hopefully by next. I'm thinking. I think I'll have it ready by Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when I get the part. But I will let everyone know. Show a video of me driving my go-kart around once I get it up. Again, sorry that I had little difficulties with getting the other video up. I my Windows Live Movie Maker just kind of screwed up, so I guess I just gotta wait. But This is Tyler on the Ramsey Cole Racing YouTube page, and I will see you next time. Bye.